Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. In this menu, scroll down and find the water lag mode icon. It looks like the water droplet. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. And what this mode does, it basically disables the touchscreen. So if the mode is enabled, you won't be able to use the touchscreen. You can tell that the mode is enabled by this icon right here. And this is useful if you want to prevent the mistouches, for example, because you're taking a shower with your watch on or you're swimming with your watch on. And to disable the water lag mode, simply press and hold the ground button for about 2 or 3 seconds, I believe. And once you hear the sound, after a couple of seconds, the mode will be disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.